I am Laurie Duncan and this is a REWD Group podcast. Tune in. Today's topic of conversation is Big Doggy Walkies. And why am I on here talking about Big Doggy Walkies when this is a property investment educational channel? Well, I'll tell you why. Because I assume that you already know me and I'm an avid dog lover. And one of my missions in life is to own a pack of 5 German Shepherds. And I just love dogs, man. I love playing with doggies. I love rolling around in the garden, preferably summertime, scratching their bellies and chucking the tennis ball and all that stuff. Love it. And, you know, I do really enjoy going on big walks, you know, going to like cool places, walking with the dogs, them all running around, you know, just playing with them and all that. But currently I am consumed time-wise. I don't have a lot of time. Free time, because I am working a lot, very aware of that. I think, you know, we're in this stage right now of business. I wonder if it'll ever go away. Or if it's always going to be this mentally busy, you know. But I really want to spend more time just chillaxing, walking around with doggies and having fun, man. Having fun with my big German Shepherd pack. But, you know, you need a certain lifestyle, I guess. You know, you can't be tied to your desk like all day, every day, like I am right now, right? I am constantly tied to my desk, you know. I don't manage my time as well as I can, I don't think. And it's funny because I always feel like I'm never doing enough, or I can always do more, and, you know, very frustrating. But yeah, I am looking forward to going on Big Doggy Walkies. Man, I love doggy walkies, need to do it more. So, whether you found that useful or not, who knows, man. At least you know I like doggies, and if you ever see me out and about and you've got a dog, then bring the dog up and introduce him to me. Anyway, subscribe if you've not subscribed. Thank you for listening, and I cannot wait to catch up with you again soon. Bye bye.